Hey guys, welcome to the game of performance and allow me to introduce you to the brand's spanking new 2023 Ducati Panigale V2. As we know, the V2 is actually the successor of the 959. Yeah, that beautiful baby Panigale with not so pretty twin barrel side exhaust. The V2 sets that record straight by turning the 2019 variant of Ducati's flagship rocket, the V4. And therefore, the V2 also gets the IMU basic electronic features like the lean sensitivity ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and the engine braking control, and the up and down quick shifter. I honestly felt the V2 had gained at least 5 to 7 kilometers per hour in terms of the top speed, and mainly down to this new fairing and how aerodynamic it is. A telltale sign that even the Super Gordon 955cc now got an update. Now this makes 5 extra more horses and 2 Newton meters of torque more than the previous bike. And how have they done that? By increasing the size of the injectors. So 2 injectors for 1 cylinder to make more inboard airflow. And thanks to these large vents, beautifully incorporated inside the headlight. And where exactly we are going to take all this firepower by taking the V2 to a facility where we can stretch its legs. And I can definitely check in much better, and the engine too felt stronger in the higher revs, and experience made all the more enjoyable with a slick Ducati quick shift system, which other than a few hiccups starting from 2nd to 3rd gear worked like a charm. The V2 is twice as easy to ride than a 959. It's also safer cause of the updated electronics, even though this makes more power and more torque. And I think that's the reason that V2 makes for the perfect platform for anyone wanting to enter this fast-paced world of Ducati by offering them something which is far less intimidating than the Red Mist, and they call it the Ducati V4. It's only when you really starts pushing that the rear starts coming around, and exits remind you gently with a good amount of warning that you are after all unleashing all that muscle on a road tire, not on a track rubber. The revised ergonomics have actually made a world of difference, because now you can actually scoot back and fit inside the bike rather than on it. V2 in a corner, and it turns in with the beautiful progression, which is exactly what you need as a new rider to effortlessly and confidently lean the bike, which makes the front pointier and achieve a revised weight distribution to 52% from 48% rear. But the tank has been redesigned along with the seat, which is slightly longer, flatter, allowing you to scoot all the way back. As an aspect, further complemented by Pirelli Rosa Corsa 2, which helps you stay connected with all the grip that it offers.